Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jannah. Today we're doing L.O.L surprises.
Yay! That's right, guys. Today we will be reviewing and unboxing the L.O.L Surprise Limited Edition Frontline Hero. It comes with 7 surprises. We ordered this from Amazon and we are extremely excited to open this up for you guys. Jannah, are you ready?
Yay!
Let's get started!
My heart is yours.
You wanna have fun with me? Then press the button. Oh, it had a zipper.
I can't see. Let me see.
Inside. Mama, look. More. Mommy. Look, one more surprise.
Oh, put it right there with your other surprises.
Mommy, look. There's something inside.
Can you get it open?
Oh.
Whoa.
Mommy, look. There's another one. And look, there's another one. Look.
Nice.
That come with it. And look. It had a sticker. And look.
You got some more? Okay. So,
Comic book.
a comic book?
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right. Let's get down there and see what we have, okay? So we have our 7 surprises. Let's count, Jannah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 surprises. Oh, goodness. You ready to start opening them? All right. Go ahead and grab your first surprise.
Huh? It's like you don't open it. Wow! It's my baby dog. What's his name?
Let me see her.
This is
Let's see, Jannah. Put her here.
Look, he's
Oh, goodness. Okay, so we have a little baby doll.
yeah, his name is, what's his name?
What's her name, Jannah?
Mia.
Mia?
Uh-huh.
Pretty.
Mia, pretty.
All right. Now let's...
I love you, Mia.
Oh, that's so sweet, Jannah. What's next?
That's what Mia had to put all his clothes on. Mama, look, Mia's water bottle.
She has a water bottle.
Yeah, Mia, it's time for your drink. Put no spilling.
Let me see. Let me see Mia's water bottle. Nice,
This
guys.
water bottle is nice and pretty.
It really is. What's next?
Look, Mia had to put all his drinks on. Mama, look, Mia's shoes. Uh-oh,
Mia's shoes.
Mia's shoes.
Let me see her shoes.
They're pretty. They're black and pretty.
What color are they?
Pink and black.
Pink and black. Pretty. All right, Jannah, what's next?
This one. Yeah. Mia had to put all his clothes on. Whoa, oh my
We
goodness.
need to give Mia some clothes, huh?
Yeah, we need to get his shirts. Oh,
Ooh, what is it?
that's Mia's necklace.
That's her necklace?
Yeah, we have to put his necklace on. Ooh, look at Mia's necklace, huh?
Let me see. Oh, you took it off. Okay, what's next? Is there anything in there? Anything else in there?
Whoa, look.
Her outfit.
Yeah, look.
So guys, Jannah named her Mia, and Mia is a frontline worker. She works very hard, and we are grateful to have her and other frontline workers helping those that are sick.
Thank you, frontline workers. Now we need to put Mia's clothes on. Oh my. These are safety goggles.
So this is supposed to be her mask, and it is a sticker. So let's go ahead and get Mia all dressed up, guys, and we will be right back. She is all set and ready to go.
Yeah, and Mia ready to go outside and get on the beach.
She's ready to go to the beach, or is she ready to go to the hospital? She has on her lab coat, her mask.
Yeah, and now he's ready to go on the hospital.
To the hospital.
I'm so scared at this hospital. Oh no, Mia's so scared at the hospital. The hospital's right here?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go inside. Mom, can you please open the hospital?
Yeah. Let's open the hospital. So guys, here's Mia. She has on her mask, her glasses, her lab coat, her pretty little pearl necklace, and her little shoes.
Mia had to get his purse.
Yeah, and then she also has a little water bottle, and you can fill that water bottle up with water, and she can drink it. Jannah, did you have fun opening up Mia?
Yeah, Mia's gonna wait for the doctor to come.
Okay, so she's waiting for the doctor. All right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and say bye-bye to Mia. Bye-bye, Mia. We'll see you next time.
Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Do 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 do.